Chief Engineer of Public Works Department PWD Manipur Chongtham Bishwachandra today clarified that road width on the Manipur Urban Road Drainage and Asset Management Improvement Project will not be reduced but increased. He said this while addressing a media briefing held at Hotel Imphal organized by PWD. Responding to concerns and queries from SKTV News, the Chief Engineer said that there is a misconception that concrete pavement works reduce road width on both sides. He explained that areas which appear narrower are laid with paver blocks by design. These sections are reserved for future utility work such as PHED pipeline laying and other service installations so that the main concrete pavement remains undamaged. He said the project is being implemented with financial support from Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. The objective is to create an all-weather climate resilient and low-maintenance concrete road network within Greater Imphal area. The project covers a total length of about 547 kilometers at a cost of about 3,647 crore rupees. Of these, over 2,896 crore rupees is financed through AIIB loan under a 90-10 funding pattern between centre and state. Chongtham Bishwachandra said, construction period is 3 years followed by 5 years defect liability period. He stressed strict adherence to safety norms and said low-lying roads will be prioritized with efforts to complete work within 7 days. He added the briefing aimed to improve coordination among departments and details are available on PWD website. Discussions are also underway for second phase of the project.
Any grievances se koina social media da phangba akoi da directly complain torokpa phone torokpa chithi irakpa si mayam ja koina grievances haina logjai sigi grievances mayam jibu redress tawnaba akoi gi mechanism leijai akoi mechanism tire ahum thongna khaido I any complaint lakpa je akoi executive engineer gi level PIU gi level da solve tawnaba hona jai kaigumba sida akoina phajana solve toraga closure pi hoda tadi mathangna project director gi level da solve tawjagani kaigumba project director level da book solve tawna da de akoi state ki administrative secretary gi level da solve tawnaba hona jagani aduga at any time akoi sigi kanoje any complaint je adum court ta adum law gi matang na adum complaint tawi ba yagani adu jo akoi na adum akoi clarification akoi oiba documents mayam information mayam adum pijagani safety jina akoi first priority oiba toi akoi na project ama lokal ko je mayam gi life ki quality enhance tauna bani haina logje adubu quality enhance tauna hona ga mi du gi life to safe hoida di adu akoi project gi motive to mighty haina I thamjage aduna project gi safety haina first concern na thamaga safety measures mayam low daba contractor mayam hoji khudak ta thabak leb daba instruction pijagre sigi measures mayam je comply tawdribo akoi thaba hon jagiroi